Hi, and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat One channel. American Girl sent an email today about their Valentine's sale where you can get $20 off a purchase of $125 or more. You'll need to use the code, and there are quite a few things that are actually on sale. And on top of that, American Girl just leaked another new item from their new release that's not released yet. So let me show you where to find the sale items because the email doesn't mention them somehow. And by the way, if you are new to this channel and interested in all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing, and we will always let you know if there is a sale going on. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. First, let's head to americangirl.com, and this is what you can see on their front page right now. Do you see something very curious? In the top left circle, there is a vanity bag or a makeup bag or something like this. And this item for sure is not available for sale right now because I looked. The top of this case has the same star pattern as the doll backpack carrier. And the sneakers on the bottom, I believe they're also new. And they look like Golden Goose sneakers to me, which is really interesting. I don't think it's a collab with Golden Goose, but who knows. This case could actually be super useful. It could be pretty useful for kids because you can just, stuff it with all little accessories and stuff. As an adult, I'm thinking I might get one to keep all the hair care items for my dolls. This actually would be a pretty good storage solution for it. American Girl needs to stop it right now. I'm so excited to see the new releases, hopefully coming next week. I just can't wait. And they keep teasing us. They just keep teasing us. And of course, I just can't wait to see what else is getting released. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think about this case and if you're planning to get one. And now let me show you how to get to the secret Galentine sale. Okay, so first you're gonna go to the top left corner right there and you're gonna hit sale. Now you see Galentine specials, so you press that. And now here you go, up to 40% off. There's some really, really fantastic deals, I'm telling you. If you are considering buying the spa, I can tell you it's a great set. I think $244 is a really good price for it. And Jenny's ice cream truck is on sale for $228, which is 30% off. Again, I think it's a good deal if you were looking to buy one. The Get Outside Camper and the coffee shop are also on sale at 25% off and 20% off, which is a decent deal in my opinion. The coffee shop is great. We own it and we love it. We even have an unboxing video. If you haven't seen it, I'll put the link to it in the description box below. I can't say anything about the camper because we don't own it. 2 Harry Potter sets are on sale too for 28% and 29% off, which I think is a good deal. As you might have noticed, Harry Potter items are excluded from most of AG sales. So if you're looking for these 2 particular items, this is a good time to buy. What's next? The luggage case from the State Bags collab is on sale for $180. I personally don't own any of the State Bags items, so I don't know if this is a good price or if it was overly inflated to start with just because of the collab with American Girl. Please let me know in the comments if the quality of these items are good or not and how you feel about the price. Kavi's backstage trunk is also on sale for just $75, down from $125. That's 40% off, and I'm really, really tempted to purchase it. I do like some of the items, like the jacket. Very tempted. Kavi's backstage set is also on sale. It's 40% off, which brings it down to $177. And it has some outfits that are exclusive to the set. I don't really care about the stage part or even the table, but I do like some of the clothing items that come with it. So 2 of Kavi's largest items are on sale, and it looks like American Girl is really trying to move the stock, which is not surprising because coffee's year is over, sadly. Angela's Bakery is also on sale for 25% off, which makes it $222. Such an interesting number. Anyway, this bakery is really nice. We own it. I love it. If you were thinking about buying it, I mean, it does go on sale, so you could use the usual 20% off, and if you have rewards, so it would make it a little better. But overall, you normally don't get 25% off from American Girl. So if you were looking to buy one, this is not a bad deal. It's actually a pretty good deal. And remember, you also get $20 off a purchase over $125, which applies to the bakery. But of course, you'll get charged extra for shipping a large item. So it's like getting it shipped for free if you purchase it during the current sale. The Bitty Baby washer and dryer is also on sale. $132 down from $175. And a Day at AG Cafe set is also on sale for $135. It is a really cool set. We also did an unboxing video. I'll also put a link to it in the description box below. But I believe American Girl had better sales on it. As far as I remember, it was like under $100. The Bitty Baby Kitchen is on sale for $237, down from almost $400. I mean, the original price seems a little bit overpriced to me, but I'm guessing it's made out of solid wood. Anyway, it's 40% off if you're looking to buy one. And Claudia's bed is down to $98, down from $150, which is 35% off. It's a nice bed. I think it's solid wood. We own it and it feels like solid wood, and obviously I'm not going to take it apart to find out. Claudia's scooter is on sale for $36 compared to the usual $65, which is 45% off. I think it's a really good deal. I think it's a nice scooter. I think the original price is a little bit too high, so $36 is a really good deal. And then there's also a stroller, I'm guessing for bitty babies or 18-inch dolls too. So that one is $88, down from $110. Courtney's TV set is also on sale. It looks like American Girl is trying to push Courtney's items. And we haven't had anything new in her collection in quite a while. So, I mean, I wish we got more stuff for her. I hope we'll get some this year. And the shoe storage tower is also on sale for $80, down from $100. This sale is going on for 3 days. So it's today, tomorrow, and Sunday. And don't forget that the end of the year sale is still going on, and there's still plenty of good items, really, really well priced. And if you're planning to shop, don't forget to use Rakuten to get your 2% cash back. Today it's 2%. I don't know what it's going to be tomorrow. And if you don't have a Rakuten account, I'll put my referral link in the description box below. If you use the link, Rakuten will give you $30 just for signing up and making a purchase, I think over $50 or something like that. And who am I kidding? If we shopping at AmericanGirl.com, we are going to probably spend more than $50. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to our channel, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!